In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Docs blank page. If you've ever scrolled to the end of a document and found an extra empty sheet hanging there, or noticed a blank page show up when you print or export to PDF, this quick fix is for you. We're keeping it simple and using the most direct methods so you can clean up your document in seconds. First, open your document and go to the blank page you want to remove. You can scroll through the document as usual until you see the empty page. It might be at the very end, or sometimes it appears between sections after you've done a lot of editing or pasting. Next, click at the very top of that blank page. You want your text cursor, the blinking line, to sit right at the beginning of the page. If it helps, think of placing it just before any invisible line breaks or page breaks that might be creating that empty space. Make sure you're not clicking in the header area at the top. You want to be in the main body of the page. If your cursor is in the header or footer, click back into the main page area first. Now press backspace if you're on Windows or press delete if you're on a Mac. That single key press tells Google Docs to remove whatever is forcing that blank page to exist, usually extra paragraph returns or a manual page break. Often one press is all it takes. If the page doesn't disappear right away, a second press may clear any remaining blank lines. I recommend tapping rather than holding the key so you don't remove more than intended. You'll know it worked when the document jumps up and the extra page collapses into the previous page. If you accidentally remove something you wanted to keep, no worries. Use undo to bring it back. Your document is saved automatically, so you don't need to do anything else once the page is gone. If nothing happens when you press the key, double check that your cursor is truly at the top of the blank page and not on the page before or inside a header or footer. Zooming out slightly can make it easier to see where the cursor sits. Once it's correctly placed, press backspace on Windows or delete on Mac again. That's it. Go to the blank page, click at the very top, and press the key that matches your device. It's simple, fast, and keeps your document looking clean and professional. Thanks for watching and happy editing.